So I'm going to talk about this thing right here. This is a hose filter. And the idea with this is that it filters the chlorine from the city water and just gives you clean water. And the reason you might want to do this is if you're concerned about the soil life, the mycorrhizae, and having healthy roots in your soil, then you might want to look into a hose filter. And there's kind of a range on the market. Some are better than others. This one, at the time, seemed to be one of the better brands, and I might actually need to be replacing this soon because they're only good for so long, just like a fridge filter or a shower filter. But yeah, it's a really simple addition. I got this because I was setting up these raised beds and I wanted to help build the healthy soil life faster. If you've got pretty healthy soil, you might not need something like this. And that is to say, it's totally not necessary. You don't need this. But it could help you if you have problems with your soil and microbiological life. And these are fairly inexpensive. I think I got this for $20-25. So yeah, that's a hose filter. It can be a pretty affordable addition to your hose and watering setup in your garden to help build your soil life.